The EXO laptop has several connectors or ports. With the EXO Man on the case facing toward the user, the power jack is located on the right side, on the green part. Most of the other connections are hidden behind the antenna. Rotate the antenna on the same side as the power jack and you'll find a USB port and a microphone and headphone jack. The other side has two USB ports, one vertical and one horizontal. This amazing little laptop also has a secure digital or SD card slot. This is a little harder to find and use. It's on the bottom of the monitor panel, so you need to turn the screen at a 90-degree angle to access it. The keyboard was meant for 6 to 12-year-olds. In my opinion, pretty small 12-year-olds. Keyboard, it's tiny. Although it has all the keys found on a regular QWERTY keyboard, it's very difficult for adult hands to keep from slipping and tripping over our own fingers. However, it would be perfect for a child.